Hello guys, welcome to continue our lesson which is talking about finding the limit of a rational function. I remind you quickly how we find the limit of rational function. The first step by substitution. If we get number, it will be the result. It will be number over 0. It does not exist. The limit does not exist. But if we get 0 over 0, as I told you before, I need to redefine the function. We have to wait to redefine the function. I continue the solution or the explanation of finding the limit of rational function because I have two sessions before. I continue the solution. Redefine the function, then substitute in this redefining function to find the limit. Let's show you this one. Here in this case, what is the first step I have to follow? Replace in numerator and replace in denominator by, that is the first step. Substitute in the given rational function. Please follow the steps. Okay? It will be 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 over 0. If you replace each x by 0, it will be 0 over 0. If we get 0 over 0, undetermined value. Undetermined value. The limit exists. Limit what? Limit, okay, exists. But we need to redefine the function. In this case, I will not use the first technique, which is dividing out technique, because the numerator in this case is not polynomial. How we redefine this function here? By redefining the function, simplifying. Maybe by rationalizing, multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the non-polynomial function, which may be in numerator or in denominator. But in this case, I simplify. How to simplify? That is my numerator. What is the meaning of this fraction? As you know, any fraction can be written as division. That's right. So what in the numerator? It will be 1 over 3 plus x. Okay, that is the numerator, which will be over third. That is what? Numerator. It means I divide the numerator by the denominator, which is what? X. Clear or not clear? In this case, how to do this one? I simplify the numerator by doing the subtraction. How to subtract any rational function? As you see, 1 over 3 plus x minus 1 over 3. The result of this subtraction, it will be also rational function. Understand? Here I will multiply here by 3. Do you know the cross? Okay. Multiply here by 3. Here I multiply by x plus 1. Okay, over 3 plus x, I'm sorry. 3 plus cross product, as you remember. This one. I multiply here 3 plus x over what? 3 plus x. Clear or not clear? Then find the result of this numerator. That will be what? 3. And what is the denominator? 3 multiply 3 plus x. As you know how to simplify. Okay? The product of numerator 3 minus the product of denominator, which is 3 plus x. I hope you understand. Divide x. Then simplify. Do you know how to solve this one or no? As I'd like to remind you, if you say half minus third, do you remember I multiply here by 3 and here by to have the same denominator, to do any operation, addition or subtraction on rational expression or rational function like this one, I have to make them like fraction, or it means have the same denominator. Multiply 2 here and multiply. What is the new denominator? It will be 6. Then what is the new numerator? 3. The new numerator 2. It will be 1 over 6. As I do with number, okay, I will do with the rational function, okay? As I do with rational number, I will do with rational what? Function. I think it's clear. I just remind you how we do this operation, okay? I think it's so easy. Try to watch the video and understand the lesson. Here, how to simplify, it will be minus, it will be what? Minus 3 minus x. If we distribute this minus here, so negative 3, I will cancel negative 3 with 3, it will be negative x. I think it's clear. Over 3 multiply 3 plus x, because plus x, okay. Multiply, I have to remember, I changed the divide into multiply the reciprocal of this one, reciprocal 1 over x. Do you have anything to simplify? Yes, I have, which is what? I can wrap this, look with me, divide x, it will be negative 1, divide x, it will be 1. So what is the result here? Numerator by numerator, denominator by the denominator. It will be negative 1 over 3 multiply 3 plus x. I think it's clear. That is the redefining of the given function. Understand or no? That is the redefining of this function. What is the third step? The third step. Again, I have to simplify the numerator. I do the operation, this one. Okay, this means I have to do subtraction first, the operation which in numerator. Divide the denominator, and divide denominator, it means multiply the reciprocal of. You have to remember that is the, as I do with rational number, I will do with rational function. Okay, here they have to have the same denominator as I showed you. Then find the new numerator, new denominator, do the operation, that is the redefining function. Here, limit of the given function here, limit the given function, okay, which is what? Third, 1 over 3 plus x minus 1 over 3 over what? X. When x approaches 0, it will be like the limit of the redefining what? Function. Limit what? The redefining function, which is 3 multiply 3 plus x. Okay, I'm sorry. Why? When x approaches 0. Just replace, it will be here, it will replace x, it will be negative 1 over 9. Understand or no? That is the limit of the given function. Okay? Please don't forget, the first step, substitute. If you gave 0 over 0, it means the limit exists, but we need to redefine the function and use any one of the two techniques that I showed you before, how to rationalize the function. Rationalize the what? The function. Or dividing out, whatever, yeah, which way I have to use, okay? After we redefine the function, I replace again in the redefine the function to find the limit of the given function. Okay, I'll show you how to solve the next one. Please follow the mechanism. Follow what? The mechanism. Clear or not clear? Here it became what? Polynomial, like monomial, and here polynomial or binomial, whatever. Understand? Here, I wrap this one. Let's solve the next question by the same way. Really, it's enough to solve the first question, then follow the answers, the same, strategy. Okay, the first step, the first what? Step. Okay, I have to follow the same mechanism, okay? Here. The first step, what I have to do, I think it's so trivial. Substitute. It means 1 over x plus 4. Replace x by 0, it will be 1 over 4. Clear? The second one, minus 1 over 4. I don't have anything in the second term to replace. Here, it will be 0. So, the result, it will be what? 0 over 0, limit. This means undetermined value. Limit exists. So we need to redefine the function. How we redefine the function by this way? By using simplify. How to simplify? Look here, the numerator here, it is not polynomial, unpolynomial. This one, it is not polynomial. not polynomial. How to make it polynomial? To substitute. Okay, the second step, please focus. How to do this one? By making the simplification. How to simplify? Here 1 over x plus 4 minus 1 over 4. It means the numerator divide what? The denominator, which is what? X. Means I have to do the subtraction first as I follow the subtraction of rational number. I will follow here with the subtracting what? Polynomial. By making them like fraction, like here, they must have the same denominator to do the subtraction. How? Look here, I multiply here by 4 and here by what? All of this, not it. I will not multiply x only or 4 only. No, I multiply both of this expression or all of this polynomial by 4. Here multiply by the denominator here, which is what? X plus 4. I hope you understand. X plus what? 4. Here, what is the new denominator? As you see, it will be 4 multiply this bracket, which is x plus 4. Clear or not clear? Then what is the new numerator here? 4. And here minus x plus 4. Clear? Which is a bracket. Divide x. Here, what is the simplification of this one? I know it means what? Negative x. Distribute the minus here and here, it will be negative 4. Okay, so it will be 4 minus x minus 4. Clear or not clear? Over 4 multiply x plus 4. As you know how we divide fraction, this one, it means I change the division into multiply reciprocal. Did you remember? Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip, as you did before in lower grade. 1 over x. Okay? Here to simplify, I'll cancel, as you see, 4 with negative 4. So here it will be what? What is the rest? Negative x. But still we can, here I have to simplify first. Never and ever to cancel or simplify any term in the numerator with the denominator, and this term is related by minus or plus. No, it should be multiply. And here I have to cancel this one first, then I simplify here the x with negative x, which will be negative 1, and here 1. Understand? Simplify the numerator first. Then simplify what you get in numerator by denominator. Never and ever to simplify any term related by plus or minus in numerator with denominator or vice versa. Okay? It will be here, what is the result here? It will be negative 1 over 4 multiply x plus 4. That is the, what is the substitute? Here substitute, here redefine the function. Then what is the third step? Substitute in the redefining function to find the limit of the given function. In this case, limit what? 1 over x plus 4 minus 1 over 4, that is the numerator, over the numerator, which is x. When x approaches 0, it will be the same at the limit of what? At the limit of the redefining what function, which is 1 over negative 1 over 4 multiply x plus 4. Clear? When x approaches what? 0. By replacing, it will be replaced here. You can use your calculator and you can solve it. It will be what? A negative 1 over 16. Negative 1 over, I think it's trivial. Replace x by 0, it will be, the bracket will equal 4. 4 multiply 4, 16 in denominator, and the numerator, it will be negative 1 over 16. The skills which I need during my lesson today is how to add or subtract rational expression. It's very important. I need the skills of adding and subtracting rational expression, or how to divide rational expression. I hope you understand. Follow the steps. The last exercise, and I hope before you solve the last exercise during this session, watch the video to understand how we solved the previous example 8 and 9, then solve 10 alone. Check your answer later, okay? Here, for question number 10, that will be the last question, okay? Tomorrow, inshallah, I will revise with you all of the cases which I used or how to find the limit of rational function by dividing out technique, rationalizing technique, or by using simplify as you see here. Okay, again, what is the first step that I have to follow? The first step, substitute. First step, substitute. It will be 1 over 2. If you replace by 0 here and by 0 here, it will be 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 over 0. It will be 0 over 0 undetermined value. Undetermined value. So limit what? Exist, and I need to redefine the function. Okay, how to redefine the function? Look with me, please. I write in different color. Okay, if you remember how to subtract or divide or simplify in a rational expression, it will be so easy for you. How to do this one? Again, I have to simplify. It means the numerator, which is what? Any fraction, it means division. The numerator, which is what here? 1 over 2 plus x. Okay, wait. That is the numerator. Numerator minus all of this, the numerator. This one, it means divide. Divide what? X. Okay, so how to simplify? I have to simplify the numerator first, do the operation which is between two brackets first, then divide. That is the order of operation. Okay, so here, as I told you, cross multiply here by 2, here by 2. And here multiply by the brackets, which is what? 2 plus x over 2 plus x. Then write the new denominator, which is 2. 2 plus x. What is the new numerator here? It will be 2. The new numerator here, it will be what? Distribute. Okay? I can distribute. I'd like to distribute here. Negative, it doesn't mean for 2 only or for x only, but for the expression minus 2 minus x. Okay? Divide what? X. Simplify this rational expression, which will be what? This cancel together. So it will be negative x over 2 multiply 2 plus x. Clear? I'm sorry because I write here in another question. Okay. Then change while multiply. It's reciprocal. It means numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Okay. Then simplify. Divide x1. Divide x. It will be negative 1. Do you have any more of simplification? No. It will be negative 1 over 2 multiply 2 plus x. Please don't forget, never and ever to cancel any term in numerator or denominator by any here in numerator with related by plus or minus, okay, by any term in denominator. Okay, I cancel only the term which related by multiplication by the others one. Understand? By the others one. Okay, here, what is the first step? By using substitution. Here by redefine what? Sorry, I'm sorry, wait a minute. To write well. Redefine what? The function. Redefine the function, okay? The last step, as you know, limit the function which I'm talking about. It will be by substitution again. So I write what? I write the answer here, or what? Limit, I'm sorry because I write limit, the given function, I name it, for example, this function f of x when x approaches 0, it will be the limit of the redefining function. The redefining function, it will be limit what? I'm sorry, negative 1 over 2 multiply 2 plus x. When x approaches what? 0, it will be negative 1 over 4. Negative 1 over 4. You can use your calculator. Please don't forget to watch the previous example to know how we solve this one. Try to solve and check your answer from the video. Thank you for joining the session. Bye-bye.